Hello, this is Adam from Light Sourcing. This video is about Guzhen Spring Lighting Fair 2021, Part 1. This is our first Lighting Fair video. We will have 1 or 3 Lighting Fair videos this year. Please subscribe our channel to stay up to date. For all lights which we focus on, we divide them into 6 parts: home and commercial lights, industry lights, landscape lights, decorative lights. These 4 parts are most common lights. Right now, smart control is more and more popular, so we added a separate part: driver and controller. This part will help you choose the right driver and controller, make your light smarter. The last part is LED display and stage lights. It's for information presentation and special festive lighting. All videos in our channel are about these 6 parts. Now we are in home and commercial lights room, which shows home and commercial lights. This display shows the LED light source. There are LED G4, G-Light, R7S, G12, and LED bulb, candle lights, core lights, and various types of filament lights. If you see some light sources are blinking badly because they are driver quality, some customers want lower price and can accept blinking. Please don't pay attention on this. This display has 3 types of LED decorative lights. First one is inside the PMMA pole, is laser caved sun straight lights. They can diffuse the direct light into 360 degrees. These 2 lights are LED creative sharp bulb. Inside are long filament and plastic tube, which bend into different shapes. These ones are used LED filament and glass bulb to simulate traditional incandescent lamp. They are widely used in hotel, KTV, coffee shop, and so on. We will make one video to show you various filament bulbs in future. If you want special LED filament bulb, you can send us an email. We will forward all types we have to you. This display shows LED strip light, with normal strip light, silicon strip light, low and high voltage strip light, and different types of controller. With silicon rope cover, they are waterproof and with very soft light. There are hundreds of silicon rope in the market. With different silicon rope, it can use for different applications. It's very hard to show you what type of strip light in fair video. We will make one video to show you different LED strip light in future. If you want special LED strip light, silicon strip light, or controller, you can send us email. We will forward all types we have to you. If many smart bulb or strip lights connected together, you can use remote control or your mobile app to change its model. Make the light colorful. They are perfect decorative lights for your own garden. This one shows different reflector drop lights. Most of them are using spinning progress technology and with beautiful surface color. Another one is for drop light reflectors, with laser progress to color surface with different shape. Light pass through these holes, make it look magic. The best advantage for this type is the surface can be customization and with low MOQ.
Bye-bye.
This supply shows LED tree-proof light, different lengths, and wall installation. This supply's light can be suspended and wall installation can connect it together to get special angle. And there are low dark area in joint point. This part is for LED2, LED tree-proof light, and standing light. For LED standing light, there are two different covers with different decorative pattern, widely used in living room and restroom. We will make one video to show you various LED standing lights in future. This part is our table light. Most of them are foldable design to reduce the packing size. Some of them are dimmable, can change color temperature. Right now, more and more items have wireless charging function. These small table lights are with battery inside, can fully fold it, easy to carry out. After unfolding, it's a simple LED table light. Most portable LED table lights are with small power and limited lumen output. These big table lights are with electro adapter, can be big power, high lumen, more function, or even wireless charging. This supply shows student table lights with cute sharp, beautiful surface color. Some with small clock and pen box. They are the best lights for students. This part is for bucket. They have round, square, oval, different size, cover type, and power. They also have 6 items which can install E27 bulb inside. This supply shows LED wall light with 7 elliptical sharp and a small spotlight lighting downwards. These 4 walls, all for outdoor wall lights. Right now, smart control is the trends for new lights. This supply is professional on sensors and LED lights which built-in sensors. These waterproof setting lights come with lux sensor, voice sensor, microwave sensor, infrared sensor, or even infrared emergency system. With better lumen output, small size and weight, LED is also widely used in flashlights and hand lights. There are thousands different shapes of aluminum profile. Each shape have different installation way, light distribution, and application. Big size aluminum profile can use as drop lights for main lighting. Small profile can use for accent lighting, like recessed bar lights in counter, wall lights, or stairway lights in living room. We will make one video to show you various aluminum profile next month. This one have downlight and recessed near light. With IP65 waterproof design, it's the best type to use in kitchen room, bathroom, and balcony. These short light bars are only used to show you. They have different type. Their length can be as long as 7 or 8 meters. They can easily install in your home roof to reduce your decorative cost. These long ones are similar light type. LED models are widely used in advertising applications, especially for signboard. Only with few LED models, the advertising light box will have good light distribution, and with smart control, it can also change color, dim the brightness.
帮我拉一下，哎，帮我拉，怎样？帮我拉一下这边。哎呦呦呦呦！好，变啊。 好。
These are LED filament tube lights. They have hundreds type. With flex tube, it's very easy to adjust direction of the light hand, and they are widely used in hotel and showcase. And they also have many other small pole lights. Downlight is the most common light for commercial lighting with different shape, size, power, beam angle, and installation way. This one is recessed furnace downlight. After the installation and painting, you can only see the luminous area. This one is surface mounted downlight. And these ones are recessed LED linear downlights. Magnetic track lights. There are hundreds types of LED downlight. We can't show you one by one on the file video. We will take one video to show you what type of LED downlight in future. This part is for track and LED track lights. This supply shows different sharp LED track lights, power from 10 to 80 watts. This track light is with honeycomb mesh for anti-glare. Its driver is inside the track adapter, which makes the whole light small size. This supply shows combination lights. They install near lights or track lights inside the recessed magnetic track. Their suspending drop-in lights are with track adapter, which can also install on it. These combination lights can install more than 3 type lights, and all lights can move easily on track. You can arrange and combine as you like to suit your lighting requirement, or you can only use few ones as a simple drop lights. These are magnetic lights which you can install on the track. This new light is a light car track light. It can change the beam angle, dim the brightness. What's more, it has 4 control bars, which can cut the light spot into different shapes, like rectangular, triangle, or trapdoor. With this outstanding feature, it's perfect project lighting for museum. When it lights to a square painting, its light support can be the same square size. These are traditional LED track lights with 2 hands or near light scan, which can make max 100 watts. This year, office lighting are more and more common. It's the best light for big office or public territory, which have high roof. Normally it's 1.2 meter, 10 or 30 centimeter wide, suspending installation. If customer need, it can easily change into hexagon, round, circular ring, cloud, or other shapes, and you can connect many pieces together to get a big light array. This big width light is made up of some small lights. Its main width is made by some long furnace office lights, and its leaves are made by some small lights. You can combine more to get the shape you want. There are also left shape lights, flower shape lights, slow sharp lights, wave sharp lights, and so on. For most lights, if you want special sharp, the cost will be very high and need a big MOQ, but not for this type. With this bending machine, it's easy to bend straight aluminum bar, and with this one, you can bend certain part and keep the rest straight. This is why, even for small order, these lights are not too expensive, and many customers want to DIY them together. Start from last year, more and more schools change their old tube lights into these cool lights. There are two types. Classroom lights is for main lighting, to light the desk and the whole classroom. Blackboard lights is for accent lighting, to light blackboard. Their main feature is anti-glare. When students right hand, they are low dazzle lights for blackboard lights with special design and beam angle. Its light will only project to blackboard, and the student can see the blackboard more clearly. If you check classroom lights closely, you can see there are many small square or honeycomb mesh in front. It's for anti-glare. For blackboard lights with special design structure, when it's suspending installation, it can only light to wall or blackboard. Also, emergent lights have limited market share. There are still some factory show them. It contains LED exist sign, emergent light, in-ground light, and so on. If they use it in big building, you can use emergent system to control them all, which including fire and smoke sensor, centralized power supply, central control, and smart light control. Or you can also control them in your KNX system. If you want to know more about emergent system, please leave a message, and we can make one video to show you not only emergency light, but also the whole system. No matter how market change, LED floodlight, street lights, and high bay lights, always the key light types for big projects. This display not only shows their various types of lights, but also accessories which can make your installation easy. For outdoor, more and more solar panels are integrated in LED lights. Right now, we can find almost all types of outdoor lights are with solar panel, like solar garden light, solar floodlight, solar street light, and solar high bay lights. There are too many lights in this fair. We can't put all in one video. Guzhen Spring Lighting Fair video Part 2 will release next week. If you want any lights, you can send us email. Light sourcing will always be your purchasing office in China and will always help you. Please subscribe our channel to stay up to date. Thank you. See you next week.